Your home is more than just a place to live. It's where your memories are made and your future is built. But what happens when your foundation begins to fail? Cracks in walls, sloping floors, and sticking doors are more than just an inconvenience. They're warning signs. At Dalinghaus Construction, we've inspected over 10,000 homes across Southern California, Arizona, and Nevada, helping over 2,000 homeowners restore the integrity of their homes. But before you hire a foundation repair company, there are 10 essential questions you need to ask. The most common concern, how much will foundation repair cost? Costs vary based on the severity of the issue, the method used, and the company's pricing structure. Some companies may oversell services you don't need, so be sure to compare estimates and understand the specifics of your repair plan. Is there a warranty with my repair? A warranty can make all the difference. Not all companies offer lifetime warranty on their repairs, and some warranties are only as good as the company packing them. Make sure you know what protection you're getting for your investment. How are you qualified to repair my home? Would you trust an actor playing a doctor to perform surgery? Of course not. The same goes for foundation repair. Look for companies with the right certifications and licenses like the C61 and D30 classifications in California. Experience matters, and proper licensing ensures the job is done right. Will this require engineering or permitting? Permits and engineering are essential for many repairs. A reputable company will involve structural engineers to review plans and ensure safety compliance. If a company tells you permits aren't needed, that's a red flag. How are the project specialists trained? A good company ensures that their specialists undergo rigorous training before ever stepping foot in your home. Ask about their experience, qualifications, and ongoing education to ensure you're in expert hands. How does the production team do these repairs? The repair process should be clear and transparent. From underpinning with push piers to polyurethane injections, you should understand the step-by-step approach and timeline for your repair. What material is used for your foundation repair? Dalinghaus Construction uses galvanized steel push piers and helical piers, ensuring non-corrosive, long-lasting stability. Are the people doing the work subcontractors or employees? There's a big difference between employees and subcontractors. Employees are trained directly by the company and held to high standards. Subcontractors, on the other hand, may not have the same level of oversight. Always ask who will actually be working on your home. Can I contact the project design specialist after my inspection? A quality company will ensure an open line of communication. You should be able to reach out to your project design specialist at any point for questions or clarifications, even after the proposal stage. Will this permanently fix my house? You're making an investment in your home's future, so you want to be sure it's a permanent solution. Be cautious of temporary fixes or companies that cut corners. Your first-time repair should be your last-time repair. Now that you know what questions to ask, it's time to take the next step. Get multiple inspections and compare options to make the best choice for your home. Start by scheduling a free 60 to 90-minute evaluation with Dalinghaus Construction. Call 877-360-9227 or visit our website to schedule your free evaluation today. At Dalinghaus Construction, we don't just repair foundations, we restore peace of mind. Call us today and take your first step towards a safer, stronger home.